Our business needs had been growing for a while on the IT side, and I think we just realized that we needed additional help, but weren't really sure how to go about it. We had debated whether we should hire someone or bring in consulting help. And our experiences with consultants in the past had been mixed. The key, I think, is having somebody who can manage the relationship that understands our business and isn't interested in just selling a project to us. We have been using Loeffler for facilities management and our copiers, and we had a good working relationship with them. Knowing that they knew our business well and knew legal well, and that they were also offering consulting services, it was a natural fit for us to ask them about how those services might work for us.
Primarily, a lot of the stuff I've done is on the phone system. We've rolled out new IP phones. Also, we've been getting into some networking redos. We actually had one of our networking specialists come in and we tackled that over a weekend. So we redid all the core switching and the edge switching all at the same time and made sure that was all working. And then over the course of time, it's been coming in and upgrading servers. We've upgraded the Active Directory up to 2016, got that all moved over. Also have been working on a new client rollout, so new Lenovo laptops, getting those images all set up. So it's been just those type of little projects that, they might be over and done with, but they're really complex and there's a lot going on, especially in this legal industry. I mean, there's a lot of different tools, a lot of different server applications that work in there to crunch all those documents.
With Marshall here, I'm not the sole bottleneck on projects getting done, and that's been a huge relief. It clears the logjam on some of these things that have been on the back burner and I've wanted to get to, but just haven't had enough capacity, or I'm getting pulled in too many directions simultaneously. And it also speaks to something that we've been figuring out in terms of just having a backup for me. We have a person that isn't coming and going, different engineers coming and going with, as some consulting arrangements might be. It's really great to have somebody who is essentially like an employee of your own.
One of the other things that's really nice, especially working with the team that I have back at the Loeffler office, is every once in a while we run into projects where you need like an Active Directory specialist guru that just knows it frontwards and backwards, and we have those resources, and so we can call them in to get some of those things that are just those nagging problems that you could spend days trying to fix, and we can get fixed in a couple hours.
We had a project, and I have been asking around for at least 2 years with not only our current solution provider in that space, but with many solution providers. And they all want to sell you their version. They say, yes, we can do that, but it's really within their zone of expertise and with little imagination about how it might fit your business. Loeffler, before we were even a customer, came in, sat down with us, listened intently to what the problem was that we were facing and why existing solutions really didn't meet it, and said, we'll get back to you. And within a few weeks, they came back and had a solution ready to deploy for us. And it blew my mind. And it really did. It blew my mind that they would do that.